Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hi, I'm Nisha Thomas, and I know you guys will be like, Nisha, where the hell were you all these days? So I'm back again with a new DIY video, and today we are going to see how I made these cute looking fridge magnets. So if that is what interests you, then please keep on watching. This is the key material of today's video. It's M-Seal, and these are small magnets that I got from local store. You can even use magnet sheets instead of these coin magnets. Don't forget to keep a plastic sheet before you start working so that you do not dirty the surface. Make sure you keep any plastic material and not any paper, as that would get stuck to the magnets that you'll make. You'll also require any kind of powder just so that it becomes less sticky. Next, you'll require glue, any object that you can use to cut round shapes. These are the magnets that you saw earlier, and this is how it looks up close. Now when you open the M-Seal, you will find two compounds like this. Take equal amount of both the compound and combine it together. Dip the M-Seal in the powder, and now we'll start making the magnets. I tried using different tools to make the process easy, but none of them worked, as it got stuck and made the process even more complicated. So I figured out that using hands and fingers are the best. Now another mistake that I made was that I rolled very thin sheets of the M-Seal. So if you try to make these magnets, make sure that you keep it a little thick so that it becomes more sturdy. I used a bottle cap to cut the round shape, but later in the video you'll see that using fingers for this process gave a better finishing instead. And this is the reference picture that I've tried to recreate. Now we'll apply some glue on the magnet and stick it to the base that we just made. We'll make the base of all the magnets first. So now let's move on to the next magnet. The process will remain the same. You just have to make whatever shape you want your magnets to be. It is just like you're working with a clay dough. As I said before, I tried making the shape using my fingers instead of using any tools, and it turned out to be perfectly fine. This is the reference picture of what I'm making. It is really fun making these magnets. You can customize it in whichever shape or size you want. Here I am using a pointed object to cut out the shape I want. We'll apply white paint as a base coat to all the magnets so that later the colors show up vibrantly. Now use different colors and make your magnets even more pretty. And we are done. This is how it will look like when it's all ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then you know the drill. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that every time I post a video, you get notified. Bye.